Hi, my name is Alexio Gonzalez. I'm working with SPT, Stockholm Precision Tool. Our company has been in business for more than 25 years, setting higher standards on the mining industry. To the mining industry, we are bringing a suite of solid-state north-seeking gyro tools that are capable to take surveys continuously from surface all the way to the bottom. In our suite, we have the GyroMaster. It's a solid-state gyro tool. It's a north-seeking gyro capable to read continuously surveys. You can do that going in the hole and coming out the hole without stopping. Another tool that we have in our suite is the GyroLogic. It's a reference gyro, meaning that you have to provide the starting direction to get the surveys. After that point, you're going to read continuously all the way and out. Another our tool is going to be the core retriever. It's a tool that will allow you to hook up to the core tube, pulling out the core while taking surveys at the same time, saving you time and money. Our magnetic tool will be the Magnet Cruiser. Basically, it's the same tool capable to take surveys continuously all the way, but in this case, it's going to be a magnetic reference node. It's a tool that cannot be run on a tube, but have to be run in open holes. Another tool is going to be the Recliner. Basically, it's a small tool capable to, in 5 minutes, orient your rig to desired inclination and direction to drill the holes. Last but not least, we're going to have the Bluetooth depth counter that will allow you to connect and read your depth as you go. Our suite is a Bluetooth capability. Basically, all the instruments are going to connect to the Bluetooth handheld device, and all the information is going to be referenced to that handheld device. We also provide a cloud services. It's a secure-based cloud system that when the survey is being taken on the drill site, the client can upload that directly into our cloud and it's going to be on our client's hand right away. The decision can be done at the moment, refer back to our drill site and take measurement as needed. On behalf of our company, thank you for watching this short video, and hopefully in the future you can come to us and we can provide the service that you deserve.